Hello, today I have got a review for you. Now this, I wanted to show y'all how this came packed. That's why I didn't take it out of this box. But this is a product from the company Toynk, and they sent this to me for a review, and this came in an Amazon box, but it was also boxed in here, so it's well protected is where I'm going with this. All right, so what they sent me for review is a jigsaw puzzle. Now this is Blockbuster videos. Any of my Gen Xers remember this. This company has got all kinds of different products, lots of retro products, pop culture, all kinds of stuff. And their products range from coffee mugs to puzzles, posters, just all kinds of different products. I will leave a link to the puzzle in my description box for y'all to check out. But you can go to their store that they have on Amazon, and they have just loads and loads and loads of different products. Alright, so this is the puzzle that they sent to me. And as you can see, this is the name of their company, but it is pronounced Toynk. Okay? Not Toy Ink, but Toynk. Like oink. But they do have a .com, and this one is a 1,000-piece puzzle, and it is a 70 by 50 centimeter. It's a very nice box. It's a thick box, so it's not going to, you know, get bent and busted. Again, there is their .com. They're out of Illinois. So yeah, very nice box, very nice presentation. Love it. So let's open this up and actually look at the puzzle pieces. I thought this was really cute, because back in the day, the only way you could get movies were to rent them from Blockbuster. Look at all the VHSs on there. That is so freaking cool. Now all you gotta do is, you know, as long as you got internet, you can stream, you can, you know, you can watch whatever you want. Alright. So the pieces are really thick. I don't know how thick that would be, but they are very thick. Looks like they're pretty, you know, vibrant colors. It's not blurry images. Everything looks like it's pretty good. Very detailed. So yeah, I think this is going to be great when it is done and put together. I like that they have it in a bag so that they're just not loose willy-nilly up in there. But yeah, I think this is going to be really cool. And they have, like I said, they have different types of puzzles. This is not the only puzzle they carry. They do have different ones. There were two others that I really wanted. Yeah. But look, they've got Ghostbusters. So what else? Platoon. Oh my gosh. Face Off. Look, Nightmare on Elm Street. All the Toy Story. All the 80s type movies. Braveheart. Gosh. Anyway, I will leave a link to this in my description box for y'all to check out. And again, please go to their store because they have, y'all, I ain't even kidding, they've got tons and tons and tons of different items to choose from. So go check them out, and I appreciate you watching.